The Art of Solitude. In a quaint little town where cobblestone streets whispered tales of yesteryears, lived an artist named Clara. Her days were often solitary, yet vibrant, filled with the gentle strokes of her paintbrush and the subtle fragrances of oil paints. Clara had a hobby that transcended mere pastime. It was her sanctuary. Every morning, she would venture to a secluded meadow where wildflowers danced in the breeze and the sun spilled golden light onto the earth. With her easel set, she would lose herself in the rhythm of nature, capturing its essence on canvas. Each painting was a reflection of her soul, a dialogue between her inner world and the vibrant life around her. Despite her love for solitude, Clara longed for connection. One fateful afternoon, while she was immersed in her art, a curious young boy named Leo wandered into the meadow. Intrigued by her work, he approached her shyly. "What are you painting?" he asked, his eyes sparkling with wonder. Clara smiled, her heart swelling with joy. "I'm painting the beauty of this moment," she replied. Their conversation unfolded like the petals of a blooming flower, bridging the gap between generations. Clara introduced Leo to the world of colors, and he, in turn, shared his dreams of becoming an explorer. As the sun dipped below the horizon, Clara realized that her solitary hobby had transformed. It was no longer just a refuge. It had become a canvas for connection, reminding her that even in solitude, one could find companionship in unexpected places. Together, they painted the world in hues of friendship, forever altering the landscape of their lives.